Hi, in front of me I have ASUS ZenFone Max M2 and I'm gonna show you how to enter the save mode on this device. Let's start by pressing and holding the power button. When the menu appears on the screen, press and hold on the power off option. Now we have a warning message. After you are done reading it, press OK to confirm. And as you can see, our phone booted into a save mode right here, it says so. And to exit this mode, we just need to press and hold the power button and then tap the restart option on the screen. And that's how you enter the save mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.